Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Thursday's Daily Financial Digest. And here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The Bitcoin dollar pair dove 2% in the last session. The stochastic RSI indicates an oversold market. The last session saw the euro fall 0.6% against the dollar. The ultimate oscillator is giving a negative signal. The pound dropped 0.6% against the dollar in the last session. The ultimate oscillator's negative signal is in line with the overall technical analysis. The Aussie dollar pair dove 1.1% in the last session. The ROC is giving a negative signal.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
Tech giants Apple and Microsoft remained the top two global companies by market capitalization at the end of July, after riding this year's rally in technology shares. Apple became the first company in the world to reach a market value of $3 trillion. The spotlight is back on the Bank of England, which is expected to hike interest rates for the 14th consecutive time today, in what could be one of the last rounds in its long fight against inflation. The once every 4 years halving on the Litecoin blockchain, set for today, means that the pace of new issuance of units of the LTC cryptocurrency will be cut in half. The dynamic is similar to the hard money mechanics that crypto analysts say helps to boost Bitcoin's price.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
The US ISM Services PMI will be released at 1400 hours GMT. The UK's monetary policy summary at 1100 hours GMT. The Eurozone's Producer Price Index at 0900 hours GMT. Australia's trade balance will be released at 0130 GMT. Japan's Jibun Bank Services PMI at 0100 hours and 30 minutes GMT. Australia's exports at 0130 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Thursday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.